Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about tFileList component. So firstly we will create the one new job tFileList j underscore tFileList j underscore tFileList. So we can give another name tFileList 1 2. So finish that one. Okay. So here we will take in the job tFileList one component and tFixedFlowInput another component, tLogRow another component. Totally in this job we are taking three components. Okay. So in the tFileList, what what we are going to do here is, so address files are there. Address files are in this location. Okay. So tFileList, double click on this one. So directory, we are giving directory here. In this path the files are there, and file mask. So file mask here, address files we have to process. Address 1 2 3 4 5 like that, so many are there. Address star dot csv, address star dot csv. Okay. So total two things, tFileList component, so directory and file mask, that's it. And I am giving this to row iterate to the tFixedFlow input. In the tFixedFlow input component, I am creating one column file, just file. Okay, that is the string. And here the file value in the tFixed component tab, here value control space we are giving tFileList current file. I am taking this one. Okay, here number of rows 1. Yeah. Okay, tFixedFlow input file, one of the column name file I created. For the file I gave this one, tFileList current file, control space tFile, then it will come this one, current file. Okay, and I am connecting this one to one tLogRow. That's it. I am running the job right now. The error is there. So what is the error? We will see. We will go to the code. We will go to the code and check this error. So this highlighted, this path is something wrong. What is this one? Invalid escape sequence, valid one or like /b/t like that. So actually the slashes are like this. So the slashes are like this. So that's why the problem came. So then I went to the code and I checked what is the exactly where it is error is happened. So there the problem is red color. Here this the problem, this line, and invalid escape sequence. So in this line the problem is there. So that path we are giving here, right? So instead of this slash, I am giving this one. Okay, here. So totally I changed the slashes like this. Then now I will run. I will run. Yeah. Now 9 are executed, 9 files. So in the tLogRow, it is succeeded one row like that. Address one, file name. We are giving input to the tLogRow is file. File name came. Address1.csv, address2.csv, address9.csv. The file names are came. Okay. So 9 files are processed as a input to the tFixedFlowInput, and file names we are processing to the tLogRow. Address1.csv, address2 for each file processing. So it is printing, it is showing the output like this. So that's it. By the using a tFileList, we are processing number of files at a time, and the files are iteration is happening. If the error is any errors are there, then we go to the code and we check where exactly the error is happened. So those things we discussed. Thank you all.